The cat got a sneeze attack mid-audition.
Here right outside your door. I won't see you disgraced. I will protect your name and your heart because I miss. Okay. Grayson, buddy, let's get you off of here first of all. Oh my God.